In this tutorial, we will give you a brief introduction about the sound effect in DemoCreator editor. The sound of a video is very important. A proper sound effect or audio track can promote your video to the next level. In DemoCreator editor, you can choose variety of sound effect to decorate your project. We have music, game, nature, animal, and life. You can simply choose one of your like and drag it to the timeline. Preview your project to adjust the length and position of your audio track.